Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today, I'm going to go over the new comic books I'm going to grab tomorrow, Wednesday, May 22nd, 2019. So let's go ahead and check it out. If you haven't been to comiclist.com, they got a bunch of great lists. Sometimes the ones that are 2 weeks out or 3 weeks out aren't particularly up to date. They could, release, get moved left to right. So, yeah, but the one for this week is usually like finalized a few days before Wednesday. So let's go ahead and see what I'm going to grab. I already have an idea, but I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. So let's go ahead and scroll down to Boom Studios. There's that Faithless #1 second printing. I might try to grab that one. And then also Faithless #2 has 3 different covers. Not quite sure if I want to start a new one, but it's a mini-series, so why the hell not? You could actually get Faithless 1 first printing still for cheap, but here it's going to be bagged, and we're not going to see what it is, so yeah. Faithless #2, still provocative, and here's cover B, the Del Rey variant. Follow her on Instagram, she's pretty cool. I have Spider-Woman Alpha signed by her, and then here's the FOC. Alright, I thought there was gonna be, oh no, just a trade paperback, Buffy the Vampire Slayer coming out. Let's go ahead and scroll down to DC Comics. I'm not gonna grab many this week. Action Comics 1011. Cover A, dope, and cover B. I like the cover A better. And Detective Comics, cover A with Arkham Knight, and cover B. Brooks does a great job. Now I'm kind of regretting not getting cover B last 2 weeks ago. I guess it's a connecting variant, but you know what? That cover A is actually pretty cool. That's all I'm grabbing for DC Comics. IDW. Like Star Trek The Q Conflict #4 is coming out. Image Comics, Middle West #7. I'm glad it's a monthly, although at the same time I'm not, because it's Scotty Young and it's good stuff. And Redneck #20. I'm not going to grab it, but I do want to see what the cover looks like. The last #19 looked pretty cool. And that's it for Image. Impact Theory Neon Future #3. I couldn't find any #2s that were in great shape. They all had like holes in them. Like seriously, the cover had holes. But if I could get this cover A, this is what I'm grabbing. If not, I'll just grab it on eBay, probably the whole set. And scrolling down, Kevin Eastman Studios has a couple issues that I want to grab, but probably not going to. So here's Drawing Blood Spilled Ink #1 of 4. I'm just gonna look at the Eastman variant if it's available. And Radically Ronin Ragdolls. So cover A and B are both Eastman. Here's cover A. And cover B. Both of them are pretty awesome. Scrolling down, Man Cave Studios, Honor and Curse number 4, and Knights of the Golden Sun 7. And Marvel Comics, there's a bunch. I just want to take a look at Asgardians 9. If it's a War of the Realms tie-in, I'm going to grab it. It is. And Avengers number 19. Only been getting the cover A's for these. Jason Aaron. Marvel Comics Presents number 5. I'm not going to be able to grab this. It's totally out of my price range. Cover B is a Rob Liefeld variant. And it's going for like $200 on eBay. 125, they still have it on Midtown. I don't see a picture for it. But if you Google, it actually looks pretty cool. It has Hulk and Wolverine. Oh, there it is. $200 on eBay. Pretty damn dope. Hopefully I can find it like damaged a little bit and get it for like 50% off. Miles Morales number 6. Shuri number 8. I'm not going to grab it, but this one has her donning Black Panther mantle again. And that's a pretty freaking awesome cover. Just not going to grab it. Too many titles. Venom number 14. I think this one and 15 are the last ones without Kate and Stegman. But as long as Kyle Hotz is drawing these, I'm still going to grab them. And then the War of the Realms tie-ins. So you got Journey into Mystery number 3. Cover A is Valerio Schiti and David Curiel, and cover B, Marcos Martin. Here's cover A, Moon Knight. Just read the first issue, it's actually pretty awesome, and no picture for cover B. War of the Realms, New Agents of Atlas number 2. You got the Wu Dei Shim and the Ron Lim. Cover A. Hey, there's Brave. And no picture for cover B. War of the Realms, Punisher number 2. Cover A is Juan Ferreira, and cover B, Dave Johnson. That's a pretty badass cover A. And no picture for cover B. War of the Realms, Strike Force, Land of the Giants, number 1. And War of the Realms, Uncanny X-Men number 2 of 3. Ooh, Sabretooth. Awesome. And I thought that was Story, but yeah. So looks like that's it for Marvel. Oh, here, X-Force number 8. Infinity Watch number 4 of 5 is coming out. This looks like the same cover as 7. So I have that. Yeah. Same cover as 7, so it's probably going to be a different cover. Nothing for Scout Comics. And... well, yep, so that's it. Lots of titles for Marvel as always, but as long as, you know, they're coming out with some good stuff, good reads, which I'm catching up on War of the Realms. I'm gonna keep grabbing them, and yeah, that's all I got. So see you at the next stop, and always remember, if you come to the fork in the road, always take the high road.